Hi, welcome to our channel CyberLogic. Today our topic, how to spy any device using tool Evil Droid in Kali Linux. It's just education purpose only. Please don't use this tool any illegal activity. First read disclaimer. Let's start. First update your terminal. Write command sudo apt update. Write second commands for updates installing sudo apt upgrade. Press Y to continue and wait for upgrading tools. Check your directory. In my case, I need download and desktop. Join my Discord server for all commands copy-paste. Tool downloading complete. Right now, go in Evil Droid tool folder. Watch here Evil Droid file. Set this file permission executable. Executable permission set successfully. Now run this file for setup tool in your PC. Wait for setup tool. Click on Yes button. Select option 1. It's all okay, don't change default settings. Your APK ready to spy any Android device, but this APK just for testing. Don't use any illegal activity. And don't install any unauthorized APK in your Android device. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more education videos. Take care, goodbye.